You might have seen in some places that the sum of the first natural numbers, and here we're going to say that the natural numbers start at 1. So the sum of the first natural numbers 1 plus ... plus n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2. Now how did people get this formula? Gauss was actually one of the famously known people who found this formula when he was a student, and what he did was quite remarkable. So essentially what he did was pretend that we didn't know that 1 plus ... plus n was equal to this. We'll just say that this is equal to s. So s is equal to, so like the sum, right, is equal to 1 plus ... plus n. So the sum of the first natural numbers starting from 1, adding it all the way to n. And since addition is commutative, 1 plus ... plus n, is this not the same thing as n plus ... plus 1? Right, it's the same. So now he essentially rewrote s again, but just in a different order. So n plus ... plus 1. And now what he did was that he added these two equations together and got to s is equal to, so here 1 plus n is n plus 1. And then here you're probably going to have like a 2, right, or like an n minus 1. Depending on the size of n, you might get this. So 2 plus n minus 1. It's also going to be n plus 1, but I'll just leave it as ... plus the last sum is n plus 1, which is n plus 1. Now, how many n plus 1 terms are there? Well, there's 1 to n, so there's n of them. So this is just equal to n times n plus 1. So dividing both sides by 2, he gets s, which is equal to 1 plus ... plus n, is equal to n times n plus 1, right? This guy, divided by 2, Okay,